Hi, I'm Miss Gina Ong, and I'll be presenting you my final project in WDD 330. So here is my folder. So I have here folders of images, the JSON file, which is the schools.json, and the school pages for the district. So these are the 5 schools. And then I have here the script for directions.js, main.js, map.js, not.js, schoolsinfo.js, and utils.mjs, and with the styles to, this is the styles for the, combined styles for the home page and the school pages. And this is the index.html as the home page. Okay, now, so with the home page, so based on the wireframe that I created, that will have a header which contain the image district for JPEG, which is the district logo, and the H1 class, which is the Malabon for elementary school. I set here a hero, which is the banner for the district. And we have the school section represented by the logo of each school. So these are the 5 schools logo, the logo element for the each schools. And then district map, and then the footer. And with the school pages, it contains the title, Bagong Elementary School, Malabon for District. And I link here the style, also with the index.html or the home page. And the script, I use the libraries marker so that I can use the advanced marker in the Google Map. Okay, so that's it. This is another school. I will edit this. Okay. So this is the school. And then in the school, it will be displayed the information about the school or the school details, which are the school name, the address, the contact number, and the email, and the Facebook page. So the same with the other school, those are the details to be displayed. I edited it. And then I have here the Potrero Elementary School. Pinaheros Elementary School. I'll commit for such changes. Okay, so the direction JS, this will work us to find the direction to the school. Then the main JS will store the local storage, of how many, or to store the last visited school. And the map JS displays the map in the school pages. And then the NAT.js display the information about the NAT results. And the schools info.js will display the details about the school from the school name, address, contact, and email. So let's check if this is working. I just give you some details of it. So here is my page. So as I turn at the logo, I'll be directed to the school, which will be, which I click on the logo. So it's the school. Okay. So that's all. That was my project. Thank you.